2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, MP3 player, power door locks, power windows, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag. Come see the car for yourself.